Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today, we're diving deep into a kitchen essential, the Heim Concept Cookware Set W-001, a 12-piece stainless steel collection that promises to elevate your cooking game. In a world overflowing with kitchenware options, finding a set that's both functional and durable can feel like a quest. So, does this Heim Concept set live up to its promise of quality and versatility? Let's find out. First off, let's talk about what you actually get in this 12-piece set. The highlight here is that every single piece comes with a lid, which is a big plus for efficient cooking and retaining heat and moisture. You'll find a generous 10.5-inch fry pan, perfect for searing, sautéing, and even making larger batches of scrambled eggs. Then there are the saucepans, with a 1.75-quart size that's ideal for simmering sauces, boiling small portions of pasta, or warming up leftovers. The set also includes a 2.25-quart saucepan, a 3.25-quart saucepan, and a substantial 5.75-quart casserole dish. This casserole dish is fantastic for soups, stews, or even baking. The inclusion of multiple sizes offers excellent flexibility for various cooking tasks, from a quick single serving to a family meal. One of the most crucial aspects of any cookware is its ability to heat evenly and efficiently, and this set claims to excel in that area. The key feature is the 3-layered bottom with heat conduction. This design is meant to distribute heat quickly and uniformly across the entire cooking surface, preventing hot spots that can lead to unevenly cooked food. This is particularly important for tasks like simmering delicate sauces or achieving a perfect sear on meats. Furthermore, the cookware is oven-safe up to a very impressive 550 degrees Fahrenheit. This means you can start a dish on the stovetop and seamlessly transfer it to the oven to finish cooking, roast, or keep warm. This versatility is a major advantage for any home cook. And to make things even better, these pots and pans are suitable for all stovetops, including induction, gas, and electric. When you're pouring liquids, whether it's a bechamel sauce or just draining pasta, messy spills can be a common frustration. Heim Concept addresses this with tapered rims, designed to facilitate drip-free pouring. This might seem like a minor detail, but it's these thoughtful touches that can make a real difference in your day-to-day cooking experience. However, it's important to note that while the rims are designed for better pouring, the handles can get hot during use. The manufacturer explicitly advises attention to this, so using oven mitts or pot holders is a must when handling these pieces, especially when they've been on the heat for a while. The handles themselves are made of sturdy stainless steel. They are mirror-polished both inside and outside, which gives the set a sleek and professional look. The construction of these handles is crucial for both comfort and durability. They are riveted securely to the pots and pans, which should ensure they don't loosen over time. The encapsulated bottom, as mentioned earlier, is what enables that even heat distribution. This build quality, with its robust stainless steel construction and well-designed handles, suggests a cookware set that's built to last. Cleaning is often a make-or-break factor for cookware, and this set aims for simplicity. It's advertised as dishwasher safe, which is a huge convenience for busy households. However, as with most high-quality stainless steel cookware, hand-washing is often recommended to maintain the polished finish and longevity of the cookware, especially for tougher, stuck-on food. Still, knowing you have the dishwasher option is a great fallback. Now, let's weigh the pros and cons. On the positive side, this set offers a comprehensive range of sizes with lids included for every piece, providing excellent versatility. The 3-layered bottom and oven-safe to 550 degrees Fahrenheit capability make it a strong contender for various cooking methods and stoves. The drip-free pouring rims are a nice, functional touch, and the sturdy stainless steel construction with its mirror polish looks appealing. The dishwasher-safe claim is a definite convenience. However, there are a couple of points to consider. The handles can get hot, requiring the use of oven mitts or pot holders, which is a standard precaution with many metal-handled cookware sets, but still something to be aware of. While dishwasher safe, to truly preserve the pristine look of stainless steel, hand washing is generally advisable. The description doesn't go into the specifics of the stainless steel grade or thickness, which is something more advanced cooks might look for to assess long-term durability and performance under extreme heat. In conclusion, the Heim Concept Cookware Set W-001 is a very well-rounded offering. It provides a good variety of essential pots and pans, features that promote even heating and versatile cooking, and thoughtful details like drip-free pouring. For the home cook looking for a durable, functional, and aesthetically pleasing stainless steel cookware set that can handle a wide range of culinary tasks, this Heim Concept set is definitely worth considering. It strikes a good balance between quality materials, practical features, and user convenience. Link in the description.